In this video, I'm going to show you beginner's guide to the Storefront Stalker inside of third-party profits, which lets you spy on successful sellers, see what they're selling, and automatically match their products against your own suppliers. So that way you can find new profitable products fast in your business. Now, I'm going to give you everything that you need to know, steps A to Z, so let's dig in. To start off, I'm going to explain exactly what storefront stalking actually is and why it works. And then I'm going to jump into my screen and show you the exact process inside of third-party profits from finding a seller to letting the software do the matching for you. Why this works, and the way to think about it from a simple angle, is that there's already sellers out there making money on Amazon. They've got products in their store, they're moving units, they're clearly doing something right. The question is, are any of those products coming from suppliers that you already have access to? Because if they are, that's free money sitting right there. And that's the whole point of storefront stalking. You're not guessing. You're looking at proven sellers and finding the overlap between what they sell and who you can buy from. Now, here's how you find the right sellers to stalk, and this is the most important part. You don't pick sellers at random. You start with a product that you already sourced that was profitable. Now you go to that listing, you look at other sellers on it, and you open up their storefront. So why does this matter? Because the seller is listing a product that you got from your supplier. So they're clearly buying from a supplier you also have access to. And that means the rest of their store is full of clues. If they have other products from the same supplier, those could be profitable for you too. And then you narrow it down. Let's say your supplier mainly sells grocery. You go into that seller's storefront, you search grocery, and now you can see how many listings they have within grocery. And now you're zeroing in on the exact overlap. Now, what this software does, and this is important, is the heavy lifting for you. When you integrate that storefront into the system, this software automatically matches the products that that seller is selling against your suppliers already loaded into the system. So to be clear, we do not know their suppliers. That's their private information. We have no way of seeing it. But what we can do is take the products that they're selling and match them against your suppliers. So you can instantly see out of everything that this seller is carrying, what is also profitable for myself and what can I actually source. So let's jump into my screen and show you how you can actually do this for your business too. So I'm here in third-party profits, and the first thing that I'm doing is starting with the product that I already sourced that was profitable. I found this item earlier in the UPC scanner, and now we're gonna go from there and start looking at the sellers on this listing. So let's open it up. So on this product, you can see that this is a fairly good wholesale listing. Price is consistent, it sells decently well, and the offer count is consistently going up and down, which is an indication that sellers are selling through their inventory. So we know that this product has opportunity. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go into Keepa and go to data and then go to buy box statistics. Now from here, we're going to click on the past year, and this is going to pull up a ton of different sellers that have offered this product on their store. Okay, so I'm going to open up this seller's storefront here, and then just go to visit this storefront. And now I can see everything that they're listing. And because my supplier sells grocery, I'm going to search grocery within the Amazon tab. And this will now show me exactly how deep they go in that category. So let's say that you have a wholesale account with a tool supplier. You found a profitable product in tools. Then you go through the same process. Rather than searching grocery, you would search tools or hardware or anything within that category, automotive maybe. If you're selling in beauty, you'd want to do the exact same thing. You have a beauty supplier, you're selling a profitable product, or you found a profitable opportunity, you do the exact same process. You open up a seller store, and then from this point, then you search that category. So now I know that this seller is deep in the grocery category. And now here's the part that's going to save you a ton of time. So if you didn't have third-party profits, you're going to go product by product by product through this seller storefront to find opportunities to sell. Rather than doing that, I'm just going to take this seller's ID, which is going to start with A1 in the URL of the tab of that seller. We're going to copy it. And then we're going to go into third-party profits and then go to Storefront Stalker. You can see that my Storefront Stalker is completely blank right now, but that's going to change. We're going to click on Stalker for a seller or click on this plus button here. And then we're just going to paste this storefront into the system and then hit submit. Now what this is going to do is this is integrating that storefront and automatically finding supplier matches for me. So we can see all of these different products that this seller is selling here that my suppliers have access to. Now, before I just continue to source through this seller's catalog, what I actually want to do is continue to do this exact same process, right? Because since we found one seller that has some form of opportunities here, I want to do this again. So now we're going to go back to that listing. We're going to find another seller. So let's say Hollywood Traders. We're going to open them up, visit their storefront, and then type grocery. We're going to see that they really don't have a lot of results in grocery. Therefore, I'm not that interested in it. It's really not that good of an opportunity for me. Next seller here. Visit their storefront. Type grocery. Now we're going to see they have 569 results in grocery. And since, once again, my supplier is deep in that industry, I'm going to repeat the process. Copy the storefront here in the URL, go into Storefront Stalker, hit plus, and then just paste that ID. And by the way, you don't need both. All you need is the ID or the storefront URL. Then hit submit. While that's loading in, we're going to do the next match here. So we'll go with this company here. Open them up. They have 20,000 results. They sell a lot of clothes. We can search it in, but with 20,000 ASINs, we can't integrate it in. It's too many products. So we'll go to the next one here. CBA warehouses. Okay, grocery. 69 results for grocery. So there's a decent amount of grocery here, not a ton. Maybe there's some opportunity for us to be able to add this in, but there's really not a lot. So we'll go to the next seller here. Pro Solutions for You. Grocery, 68 results. Okay. These are some brands and products that my supplier carries, so I'm interested. We'll go through and we'll add them in. And obviously, we would just continue to do this process. You guys kind of get the point here. We can go one by one by one. Like if I open up Modern Party, do the exact same thing. Search grocery, over 1,000 results in grocery. Take their storefront, add it in, paste their ID, submit. And just continue to do this over and over and over again. So right now, I can see the overlap between the products that they carry versus my suppliers and what I can actually source and whether my suppliers carry it at a profitable cost. So rather than, like I said, digging through this entire seller storefront of 2,000 products, I can now just quickly filter through. So let's say we want to find items with a profit that's a minimum of $2, where the offer count, meaning that there's a certain amount of sellers on the product, is greater than 5. Let's say a profit margin that's greater than 10, where we're also ungated on those specific products. The rank is anywhere between, let's say less than 200,000, where Amazon has less than 50% of time on the listing, and there's more than 80%. And by the way, guys, if you don't know what these things are, you can just hover over the top and it'll tell you exactly what the column is meant to do and what the filter is meant to do. And from this point, now we're going to see quality listings. Let's say I only want to look at UNFI. Now I can see all of these opportunities, $35,000 in potential profit that have been matched through this seller storefront. Now, realistically, we're not going to capture 35 grand, right? But you take 5% of that number, you take 10%, you take 20% of that number. And just like that, you're literally just copying what's already working and implementing it into your business. So we can start sourcing through to see if we find any product opportunities. This one right here seems like there's some form of opportunity. We'll open it up on Keepa. We're going to see here, chart is incredibly stable. We'll open up the listing. Our cost is $18.34. And after all expenses, we are left with a 14% margin, 26% ROI on a product that would make us money every single month. So we'll add this into our purchase order here, right? Saving that to PO. So just like that, the system did it for me. This was my first item that I looked at. We can look at another item here and just kind of get a gauge. 3203, right? Once again, product is consistent in price, good wholesale listing. We're literally just copying what's already working and seeing whether or not we can also get a piece of that market share on the product. Price recently recovered at 35 bucks. This item seems like it'd be profitable for a business, right? So this is exactly how we're capitalizing on storefront stalking for a business. And you can see that storefront stalking is an incredibly powerful tool because you start with the winner, you find the sellers behind it, open their store, and the software matches their products to your suppliers automatically. It significantly decreases the research time. It shows you proven products and a clear list of what you can actually source. And it's one of the fastest ways to find your next profitable product without starting from scratch. And remember, if you haven't yet started using third-party profits, you are missing out on a ton of money in your business. So there's gonna be links down below where you can sign up for a trial or you can book a call with my team to see if it's the right fit. That way you can focus on finding new profit opportunities for your business. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or anything down in the comments, let me know and we'll see you on the next one.